My Lord, I'll be very brief. My Lord, this is a clear case where the respondents are abusing not only the administrative power, but also judicial power. My Lord, I say this because this debacle commenced with the court order that was issued by the Chief Magistrate on the 1st of February 2018. It is on the basis of that order that the respondents proceeded to the house of Miguna, blew the entire gate, blew the entire front door, and seized him. Now, when this action was being undertaken, it was being undertaken on the suspicion by the police that Miguna was keeping weapons in his house, and he was also keeping documents that are intended to subvert the course of justice and to undermine the authority of the government of the Republic of Kenya. My Lord, there has been no return filed in those miscellaneous proceedings to indicate what, if any, the police recovered from that raid. My Lord, fast forward until yesterday, Miguna was in the custody of the court. It cannot lie in the mouth of the respondents to say that at one point in time they lost custody of Miguna. Because, my Lord, you remember all of us waited here until yesterday at about 7 p.m. and all indicators were that he was in the custody of the police. Yet, in actual fact, if you are to look at these documents now presented, it will appear that the court was being kept here in waiting as another parallel process was being undertaken, quote in quote, to deport Miguna. My Lord, as my learned senior has indicated, we'll interrogate the so-called deportation at another forum. But the documents that have been produced by my learned colleague from the DPP confirm that Miguna holds a Kenyan passport. So, my Lord, to that extent and that extent only, Miguna still remains subject matter of these proceedings. It is therefore my humble submission, as has been said by my colleagues, that over and above demanding the personal presence of the IG and the DCI, they still have to produce Miguna, because Miguna is still the subject matter of this court.